seconds. Okay, this will be your classic TP, and then we'll do the modified one in a second. So a piece of A4, just at the end, at the end. There we go. Then what you do then, put your compass in, like so, to the edge of the paper. Bear with me. And this is your classic TP. Your basic standard TP. And the next one I'm going to do is the modified version. I'll show you how to do that. So this is your classic TP. The modified one makes it a little bit stumpier, so it's a bit lower but a much wider base. Okay, thanks very much, and that's coming up now, and this will be it, and I'll show you how to do it now. Okay, you can see that okay, yep. Oh, might come out a little bit. How to make a tart tempt on the cheap. Okay, this is a piece of A4 you're going to need. This is a way to do it first, just to learn how to do it. A ruler, standard ruler, compass, pencil, pair of scissors, and another pencil. I'm not going to hang about and muck about, I'll go straight to it. So what you need to do is find the exact centre of the paper. So this is a piece of A4, like I said, so just fold it like so and just nick the end. Same with the other side. Just fold the paper, nick the end, open up. If you can see that, just mark it exactly where the fold is. And same this end. Okay. What I do then, I'll do a straight line down the centre. Do it this way, so if you do it on the tarp, you're not going to ruin your tarp, so you save a bit of money by practicing this way, okay? Then get your compass from the very edge, as close as you can get it from the edge, right on the line just there. See that? To the edge of the paper, right on the edge, there. You don't have to do a full arc, just go to the top and just, this is a different way of doing it. There's several ways. This way gives you a much larger tarp, slightly lower in the height, in the head height, but a much wider base. So then just, okay, just make sure that's in focus, if you can see that. Yeah, okay. Then what you do with your compass, again, find dead center of where you just marked it. And what you're going to do then, you're going to do a full, well, not a full arc, but the best you can. Oop, try not to slip because it's awkward to get back in the right place. Okay, I'm trying to keep my hands out of the way here, folks. Okay, so once you've done that, then get your compass, your ruler, beg your pardon. You see that? And from there to the edge of your circle, draw a straight line. And the same the other side. Okay, get spot on. Pen's playing up. It must be running out of head. Okay, hold on folks, let's just do it this way. Okay, right. And then you've got an option. And this is one I did earlier, like Blue Peter. You can cut it out, and you can take out the triangle as well. And then when you put this together, there's your Tipi sort of thing, which makes it wider than your normal if you just did like with the arc before. So that is general. Now what I've done with mine, what you can do then, which I'm going to do, is when you cut it out, I haven't actually cut these out. If I flip it over to show you, what I've done, I've folded one over and put an edge on the other one, because I'm going to sew this on mine to make a seam down the one edge. So I want it nice and strong. And then the other one will be the door flap. Now, whether it's on the outside, I mean I can trim it so it looks, it's not going to be right, but you can do it like that. You can see that. And I'm also going to buy a protection. It's a flue kit for a log burner, which I've got. So you got a choice, whatever you want to do. You can leave both flaps on if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave the one flap on, and then sort it out from there. And then I'm going to try this on a proper piece of canvas, which I've got it ordered. The measurement for the canvas that I'm doing to make this an 8 by 8 high tarp or Tipi would be, it's just under 5 meters. So I'm buying 5 by 5 meter tarp. 260 grams of that's waterproof sort of thing. I'll give that a go. So I'm just trying to think anything else you need to know really. Yeah, so 5 by 5 will give you 16 foot across, and then it'll give you, once you've dropped it down, it'll give you an 8 foot high peak. So it will look exactly like that. Okay, so if this is any help to anybody, great. Thanks very much for watching. I will do this, I'll be doing another video on when the tarp arrives, on cutting it out. So you need a good flat surface and a good nice pair of sharp scissors or a knife and a piece of rope, because what you'll probably do then, you'll use rope, because you're not going to get a compass 16 foot wide. So you'll get a rope and you'll do exactly the same principle, put a pin in the rope and then do the rope around and do all the markings the same. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Take care.